Okay, so now we will focus on the example 4.7b. Actually, it's similar to the example 4.7a. There are the two fractions subtraction. So what we need to do is that we need to expand them into the common denominator, 通分母. So first of all, we need to observe these two denominators. One of that is 3m minus 4n, and the other one is 2 times 4n minus 3n close bracket. Actually, we can see that there are two very similar items. One is 3n minus 4n, and for the other side, that is 4n minus 3m. So actually, we need to apply the same technique as the 4.7a. That is, multiplies one of them by -1. So may we choose the terms at the back. 4n minus 3m, whole term times -1. It will becomes -4n plus 3m. And then we rearrange the order of them, it will become 3m minus 4n. So we can use the same technique. But besides using the times -1, we can see that here is a 2. Right? So what we need to do, okay, is that we need to expand the first fraction by multiplying the numerator and both the denominator by 2. And please remember to add the brackets. And then for the back, okay, the fraction at the back, what we need to do is we need to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the -1. So after doing this, the first fraction, it will become 2m times 2, that is 4m, over 2 times 3m minus 4n, close bracket, and the fraction at back, that will become n times -1, that is -n. And for denominator, it will become 2. For the 4n minus 3m times -1, that we have do it before, it will becomes 3m minus 4n. So after that, you can see that now the both denominator are the same. So we can do subtraction now. Keep the denominator. And then for the numerator, 分子, it becomes 4m minus n. And add the bracket for that. So can you see, is there any items that we can simplify? No. So this one would be the answer.